The golden pheasant has a body shape similar to that of most fowl. It is a robust bird, weighing about 630 grams, with pretty long spurred legs, a thick bill, and short, rounded wings, 70 centimeters of wingspan, due to its terrestrial habits. Like most pheasants, this bird shows evident sexual dimorphism. The male is 90 to 100 centimeters long and is very colorful, with bright red underparts, a yellow tuft of feathers on its head, a mantle of black-tipped yellow feathers that covers the sides of the neck, a blue-green patch on its back, also with black feather tips, a yellow rump, brown wings with a blue patch at the base, and a long golden-brown tail that makes up for about 2/3 of the bird's body length. The female is smaller, measuring 60 to 80 centimeters in length, and has a plumage that provides better camouflage, brown with black speckles and bars. The female, too, has a long tail, albeit slightly shorter than the male's. It makes up for more than half of its body length.